Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we are going to use the users created in our engine management. In this listing, we are going to use user management. So let's see how to use it. Okay, this is the research instance we put in our last session. Right? Then you see, as per our previous video, we already developed some listings behind our previous videos in this topic. So I'm going to copy that HTML text. Yes. This is the HTML tags we used in our previous videos. So I will use this one. Going to paste it. I'm going to change something a little bit. Here, I'm going to use name, ID, name, email. Okay. If this, okay. So also, we're going to have only three keys. Sure. I'm going to get accounts number. I'm going to pass underscore user manager dot users. Okay. First users, that is application users. Application, you go here, provide add model, size, any W. Okay, now the channels. So, user, this is name, that is user name, as well as the email. Okay, that's it. Let's run the application. Before that, we can provide some styles here. Instead of style, we can use class recording, table, 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 order. Let's, let's run the application. We can use it right now. Yeah, correctly. All three users which are in the NET users table. So we successfully prepare the listing screen in our next exercise. We can see how to update or delete the user and also how to assign the roles. Thanks for watching.